This is Blizzard 18249. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. 1. Oh, piss. Always forget to check that extra space. 5 times. Here we go. Hello, Robbie Fox. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, and 5. Top is Thomas, bottom is Mitchell. That is 5 times. That's all. Basically, where you picked up your spots, so that you just decide what packs you get. Alrighty. 2 for Thomas. 2 for Thomas. 2 for Shane. 2 for Thomas. 2 for Nathan. 2 for Shane. 2 for Thomas. 2 for Shane. 2 for Thomas. 2 for Mitchell. All right, we'll start with Nathan. Good luck, Nathan. Art of Sandbar is Kerrigan. Green, Rhaegar, Earth Fury. The cube of Gomo. Lost Vikings. And Zoltun and Imperius. Up next, Mitchell Robinson. Here's to you. Oh, the Innkeeper's Collection. And Zeratul. Drone, that is to say. Silver. Green of Mecha Jaraxxus. Mecha Bailey's Jaraxxus. Up next, Ringer. Good luck, Ringer. The cube of Duriel. Blue of Lily. Roadhog Ultimate ready. Zoltun Cool. Genji Ultimate ready. Arcturus Mengsk. Oh, the big Innkeeper's Collection for Ringer and Malthael. Zerg. War Banners. And a Zul. Spectral. Get that other hit out. Silver of Maiev Shadowsong. Green of Arana Starseeker. All right, and then finally, Thomas Mabel has all the rest. If there is a big hit in this one, then it definitely goes the way of Thomas. Here we go. BlizzCon. I think the BlizzCon insert's relatively short print. The cube of Lyric. Blue of Sylvanas Windrunner. Zerg War Banners. And a disco to 99. Very nice. Sylvanas. Very popular character. Such a cool card. Deathwing. Green of Blackthorn. Magda. Probably sucks. Diablo Cube from Diablo. Sorry, that's a blue of Sadea. Emotes. Arisa's Holt. Green of Zaloon. The Cube of Adria. Bastion. Blue. May Ultimate Ready. Diablo. Passadar and a Rin. Finally, the Cube of Andriel and the blue of Archimond. And that is that for Blizzard 18249. If anyone has a personal they'd like me to do, please get your order in now. Otherwise, we may just call there and do the lunch break for dinner.